Hello, this is Liquidocelot and I'm unboxing a keyboard, Microsoft keyboard, and model number is 1366. Look at it. 1366 keyboard, white keyboard 600, model number 1366. I'm going to open it up perhaps. It's taking too much time. Wrapped in plastic. My laptop keyboard is damaged, so I don't have any choice now but to use this keyboard perhaps. And I'm doing the unboxing with my hand using no knife or whatsoever. Look at it. It's plastic. And now I'll put some. The buttons are very soft. Windows keys, space, volume buttons. I hope you liked and enjoyed this unboxing of the Microsoft keyboard, Microsoft white keyboard 600, model number 1366. It cost me round about $3. Take care, my friends, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think.